top ChatGPT tips and tricks. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the top ChatGPT tips and tricks that you need to know if you're using ChatGPT or if you're looking to use ChatGPT for different purposes. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you're going to go to openai.com and you will get right here. This is OpenAI and we have ChatGPT. ChatGPT is actually a model that has been trained to interact in a conversational way. So the dialogue format actually makes it possible for ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions, admit its mistake, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. As a complete beginner, when you sign up for ChatGPT, it might be a little difficult for you to use it. Well, it seems really easy. All you need to do is just enter some text here and it will give you the answers. But how to find the right answers from ChatGPT, how to get the best result, what are the different things you need to keep in mind when you're asking something from ChatGPT. So these are the things that I've noticed and what I apply to get the best results. So let's get into these tips and tricks. First of all, we have a plus version available. So a lot of people don't know about this, and when they sign up for ChatGPT or try to log in, it says that it's actually the demand is high, and what happens is you cannot access your ChatGPT, and people think that okay, it's not available for us, not anymore. But that's not the truth. What you need to do is if you have a free plan, then you will just wait for the demand to get low, and it's like maybe after an hour when you try, after 5 minutes you can try again, or the next day when the demand is low you will be able to access ChatGPT. So don't think that it's not available in your region or it's not available to you anymore. So that's not the truth. And then we also have a ChatGPT Plus, which is just $20 per month. So you can use ChatGPT Plus so that it's available to you even the demand is high. And the response is actually faster with ChatGPT Plus and also priority access to new features. So this is the first thing that you can keep in mind, that there is a plus version available for you to access it anytime. Moving on, when you're doing a research on ChatGPT, make sure to keep few things in mind. ChatGPT actually has some limitations. For instance, it may occasionally generate incorrect information. So this you have to keep in mind that sometimes the information that you're generating might not be correct. And it can also give some harmful instruction because it is just an AI. So you have to keep that in mind as well. And then we have a limited knowledge of the world and events after 2021. With that, when we search something on ChatGPT, we face the problem of not getting the answer. ChatGPT says that, okay, an error has occurred or I cannot answer this. So how to get the best results? For instance, you want to write a blog with ChatGPT or an essay. So how you will do it the right way? You cannot just give the command, write a blog post for me on this topic. For instance, let's actually do that. So I will just give the command, write a blog post on how to lose weight, right? I will click on enter and it will give me the answer, of course, and it will start writing a blog. So let's just see our result. So here we have our result for a blog post, and now you can see the results are of course good. ChatGPT is actually a really good AI to work on. So you can see we got our maybe like an introduction lines. We have 3 lines here. Then we have our headings. We got like 6 of these different headings, and then we got the conclusion. So this is a blog post, but do you really think that it's actually a high quality professional blog post? Because I was actually looking for more. These are just like 3 to 4 lines in each headline. I wanted to go for more. So how to get the best results from ChatGPT? You will check this answer and you'll be like, okay, this is not helping. What do I do? So the right way to go for ChatGPT is actually you can start a new conversation with a simple thing first. Don't go for just like a simple command, the end result. You can get started slowly with each step. Go with step by step if you want the best results. For instance, I want to write a blog post on losing weight, right? So first I will actually generate the title with the help of ChatGPT. So this is going to be my new command, generate blog post title ideas about how to lose weight. Click enter and it will generate the blog post title ideas for me. Also keep in mind to be specific about what you're looking for. And here we have our result. You can see we got 15 title ideas. This way, I can not just go with the title How to Lose Weight, but now I have 15 different ideas for me to go for. And now I can choose any of the, title from here. They are pretty impressive and SEO friendly titles that ChatGPT generated for me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just select this one right here, which is how to stay motivated during your weight loss journey 12. So ChatGPT actually has the ability to remember our chat, so you don't need to type again and again. What I will do now is I will write a blog post outline first for title 12. So now it knows that which one is title 12 and it will write a blog post outline for me. So here we have the outline. You can see right here, the outline actually looks really good. So this is the right way to go for ChatGPT, and it gives you the answers that you're looking for, but it will help you create a high quality blog or anything you're writing. Even if you're writing an essay with ChatGPT, you're getting an answer. So start the conversation with something very basic, and then you can get in depth with ChatGPT, and it will give you the more results, and you will get the best answers instead of just like a simple answer. So here we have an outline. What I will do is now I will give you an example how we can write a blog post. So you can give commands to ChatGPT about words, number of words, or number of lines. For instance, write a 10 line of introduction paragraph. So I'm going to go with this one, and it will write an introduction paragraph for me, but it's going to be 10 lines. So you can see we got a paragraph which is 10 lines. It's not like just 3 lines that we got earlier. Now I can ask it to write a blog post of maybe 2,000 words according to the outline, and it will follow the outline for me and write the best blog post that will have this outline that we generated. And according to this, I will have different topics. We have headings, we have subheading headings, we have introduction, we have the body, we have everything. So you can see right here the conclusion. So it will generate a 2,000 word blog post for me, which is better than what we generated with a simple command. So that's the thing that you need to keep in mind to get the better results from ChatGPT. Moving on, we have switch to light mode option. A lot of people don't know this. You can switch to light mode. If you have ChatGPT like this, you can click on dark mode and you can go to dark mode. It's like a simple trick that you can do. When it comes to ChatGPT, you can also go to your previous conversations here, click on show more, and it will give you all of the conversations that you had with ChatGPT. You can open up any of the conversation anytime, and you can actually, continue it. That's also a thing. Similarly, we can, when it comes to the responses, if you do not like a response from ChatGPT, click on generate response. And what will happen, it will delete the response that it created for you before, and then it will regenerate it. So that's also a thing that is available, and we will be able to this way get better results. You can ask ChatGPT to regenerate, and it's unlimited. You can ask it again and again until you are satisfied. And if you feel like there is a command ChatGPT is not reading right, then what you need to do is make sure to write it again. For instance, I wrote write a 10 line of introduction paragraph, but instead if I had written write 10 lines for me, now maybe it will not give me the right result. So what you need to do is you need to change your words if you feel like that it's not reading the command properly. So you need to just rearrange the words, and if it doesn't give you an answer, if you rephrase your question, it will give you the answer. Once you regenerate a response, as I showed you before, we can actually check out the responses. It will show you the number of responses it has generated, and you can go back to your first response. That option is also available, and you can switch between the responses. So these are the things that a lot of people don't know as a complete beginner, and this way you will be able to use ChatGPT really easily. Then we also have this thumbs up and thumbs down. This is also really good for ChatGPT to give you the better results. When it comes to coding, ChatGPT gives you a copy option, so you can copy the codes really easily and paste them wherever you want to. So these are the simple tips and tricks that you need to keep in mind while using ChatGPT. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.